Okay, now I've dissected a male crab, at least I've removed the dorsal carapace, and you can see the organs inside. First of all, you can see all of this back here. This is all meat. This is all muscle. That's called the back fin, right? This is what people like to eat because it powers these big swimming legs, and that's what all of that muscle is for. Just in front of that, there's the heart. The heart on an arthropod is dorsal, unlike the ventral heart on a vertebrate, and it's right here. That little thin thing right there is a heart. There's actually two holes in the heart. There's one here and one here. Those are called ostia, and that's because the arthropods and the blue crab also has an open circulation system. There may be a few vessels that send blood in general directions, but blood then just circulates through the coelom, through the body cavity, and it drains back into the heart, not through veins, but through these little holes called ostia. So there's the heart. On either side are gills. The gills look like they're inside the animal, but they're not. If you look underneath the gill, there's actually carapace right there. And so these gills are actually in their own chamber because raw water comes through these gills and then leaves for respiration. To make the water come through and ventilate the gills, there's these things here called balers. There's one on this side, one on this side. These appendages beat and they create a water current. It brings water up underneath the animal. Water goes through these chambers and then shoots forward. So the gills are actually outside the animal, even though they're inside the dorsal carapace. The other thing you can see is this whole big structure right here. This is a stomach. The stomach has two parts. There's a pyloric part, which is up here, where the food goes in, and then I won't get inside it, but inside there are a couple of teeth. They're called stomach teeth. And so there's actually teeth that chew in the stomach, that chew up food. So food comes into the pyloric stomach, it gets ground by the stomach teeth, and then it goes into this more posterior part of the stomach called the cardiac stomach. Once through there, it goes into the intestine and out the anus.